How to screen record on a Windows laptop using Snipping Tool. If you want to record your laptop screen without installing extra software, this video will show you how to screen record on Windows using the built-in Snipping Tool. First, press Windows plus Shift plus R on your keyboard to open the screen recording feature in Snipping Tool. Now, select the area of the screen you want to record. You can choose a specific area or record your entire screen. Before starting, you can turn your microphone on or off and choose which microphone you want to use. Once everything is ready, click Start to begin recording. While recording, you can use the pause button if you need to temporarily stop, and click Play to continue. When you're finished, click Stop. Your screen recording will open automatically, where you can preview the video and make additional edits using Clipchamp if needed. To save your recording, click the Save option and choose where you want to store the MP4 file. That's how you can screen record your Windows laptop using Snipping Tool without installing additional screen recording software. If you find this video helpful, click like, subscribe, and share for more Windows tips and tutorials.